and welcome back to another video. So in this video I have another set from Ejubis, and this one is their blackhead removal kit. It comes with a case, which is really nice and handy. Each tool goes in their own little section, and it also comes with a really nice mirror, and then again the carrying case. This one has a snap button. In my last video I did these tweezers, which they're different shapes, which I absolutely love this. I'll post that review down below. So this one comes with 6 tools. They are very sharp, so be very careful with that. And I also tested this out on some friends that have blackheads or other issues that this kit would come in handy for. Now this one I see all over blackhead removal videos, and like I said, this is very sharp. So this one would come in handy quite a bit. And then this one also, I did test this one out. I would use this point end right here. Let me just show you. To kind of loosen the blackhead or pop the head of the blemish. And then these other ones, you would press down on it and it would slowly bring it out. Now I'm not too familiar with each of these tools, but they all look similar, just different sizes, so you would need to find the one that would work best for you. But again, I tried this out and it did wonders. If I did not have this, I would have to use my fingers, and that is quite disgusting. And it would probably be more work. So this did the job, and I would highly recommend it. I would show you it on my face, but I don't really have crazy blackheads or pimples to test this out to show you, so I'd probably look like a goon. But this is very affordable, and if you are one that have a bunch of blackheads on your nose, your back, your ear, anywhere, either you or someone else can help you. But this, I'm so thankful to have this. It comes in handy, so no more pinching, popping pimples with your fingers. And I do like that it comes in a case, so you could just pop it in your purse or in your drawer, wherever you would like. I do have a link down below. Like I said, it's very affordable. I would highly recommend it. So that is that. And I said again, I will leave the link down below for this review. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the link down below. It is on Amazon and affordable price, and you need this in your life. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please excuse my nails, but be sure to check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.